Hey guys, Willie Make It here. I have decided to take up beekeeping this year. This is my first hive ever. I just installed my bees on Monday. It's now Wednesday. And the first 2 days were pretty chilly, so the bees were very inactive and just kind of huddling up in their hive. And anyways though, today, when I walk around here, I'll zoom in a little bit, you'll be able to see that I've got busy bees. Look at that. That's excellent. Anyways, I highly advise David Burns' beekeeping courses. He's a EAS master, certified master beekeeper, and his courses are pretty in-depth, and they'll give you a really strong start, I believe. And so far, so good. My install went pretty good. I did learn an alternative method for install too from our local beekeeper who sold me the package of bees here. And anyways though, been really interesting so far, and this is going to be a pretty cool summer, I think. But yeah, look at them go, just piling on there. Apple trees are bloomed right now, and along with red bud and some other various stuff around here, and they're getting it. I'm liking this. I'll let you guys know how this goes throughout the summer. Later.